Are you one of the millions of women suffering from endometriosis or endo? If you are, we're glad you found us, and we're here to help you reverse this devastating condition and to take charge of your health. Endo and its debilitating symptoms can make it impossible to hold down a full-time job and can destroy your self-esteem. The heartbreaking symptoms of endometriosis, like sudden weight gain, acne, body hair, heavy painful periods, and infertility, are often considered to be something you just need to learn to live with. However, did you know that these symptoms are clues to the underlying cause of your endometriosis? Endometriosis can be a life sentence if you don't manage it correctly. However, with accurate diagnosis, causative identification, and effective long-term management, the symptoms of endometriosis can be reversed. It's not common practice to get our hormones checked, and they're normally not integrated into diet programs because they're so complex. But even the slightest imbalances often found with the early changes of endometriosis can make managing the symptoms a futile exercise. Diet plays an important role in the management of endometriosis. This is due to its influence on prostaglandins. Researchers have identified prostaglandins with dysmenorrhea or heavy painful periods. There are two types of prostaglandins, good and bad. Good prostaglandins take part in the normal functions of the body without contributing to the processes which cause the negative effects of endometriosis. Bad prostaglandins take part in the functions of the body which contribute to endometriosis symptoms and its negative effects, that is, pain, inflammation, digestive disturbance, and connective tissue damage. The way your body produces different types of prostaglandins can be controlled by what you include in your diet, by consumption of different oils and foods. Some foods and oils will promote the negative prostaglandins because of subtle chemical reactions. In turn, other foods and oils will block that chemical reaction and stop the negative prostaglandins from being produced. The underlying reason why endo is difficult to diagnose is because it is misunderstood. The symptoms of hormone imbalance can also cause discomfort. However, the good news is they can often be managed effectively in a natural and healthy way. In a nutshell, you respond to food and hormones differently from other women because of your endo and its underlying cause. The best treatment for endo is one that is tailored to your individual needs. For some women, it can be a combination of medications, herbs, and homeopathics, but most importantly, diet. You need to look for the right support that manages your endo for you. Diagnosing endo is one thing. However, identifying the cause is the key to you effectively breaking free from your endo. Traditional endo treatment involves medication prescribed to help regulate your periods or relieve pain. This can be effective for some women. However, getting to the cause of the endometriosis is a more long-term solution. To move past the frustrations of endo, we need to start to see things a little differently. Endo is a medical condition. However, it is also a symptomatic expression of a cascade of imbalances within your body, stemming from a root cause. Getting to the cause of endo is like peeling back the layers of an onion. Where did it start? What's fueling the elevated hormonal levels? These are the questions you need to start asking yourself. Finding the answers will give you freedom from endo. Many women across the globe successfully manage their endo. They overcome their symptoms and lead happy, healthy lives. The best part is they successfully conceive and fulfill their dreams of having a family. They are able to do this because they understand that their everyday food choices might be triggering hormonal imbalances or making diagnosed conditions worse. For example, did you know that milk, lamb, and wheat are linked to hormonal imbalance associated with endometriosis? For some women, consuming these on a regular basis can make their symptoms worse and make losing weight impossible. To reverse this is simple, once you know what's going on. PCBs, dioxins, trans fatty acids, refined carbohydrates, synthetic estrogens, food preservatives, toxins, pain and inflammation, genetic weaknesses, and other hormones can make endo worse. A great deal of research is clearly highlighting that women who are exposed to environmental toxins are at a much greater risk of developing endometriosis, along with other serious health disorders. These toxins include PCBs, DDT and dioxin, all of which are widely spread throughout the world today. The other major environmental toxins are collectively known as xenoestrogens. These are compounds and chemicals found in the environment and food chain that react negatively with the natural balance of the body, causing imbalance. The liver regulates and removes estrogen from the body. If the function of the liver is compromised, then serious health problems can emerge, including endometriosis. Of all the theories being postulated for the cause of endometriosis, the idea that this disease is an autoimmune disease seems very likely, credible and feasible. Autoimmune diseases are now widely believed to occur based on genetic predisposition that may be triggered by environmental and other external factors. Depending on your hormonal profile, certain foods will help you beat endo, and others will make your endo worse. Herbs and nutritional support are beneficial in supporting healthy hormonal balance. So the key is to get assessed and treat the cause of your endo. You need to rethink a few things. The incidence of endometriosis is growing at an alarming rate. It has the potential to affect our friends, daughters, and loved ones. There is no single treatment for endo that works. Endo is multidimensional. Effective endo management takes expertise, experience, dedication, and time. We're here to provide you with the accurate scientific information you need to safely reverse the underlying cause of endo. Targeted symptomatic screening and functional pathology testing helps to identify the cause. Many of you know its effects on your health only too well. Upsetting symptoms such as acne, excess weight gain, abnormal hair growth, as well as infertility and menstrual irregularity. At Mass Attack, we regard it as our responsibility to provide you with the knowledge and support you need to help you reverse the effects of endo and their underlying cause. We want you to know we are dedicated to helping you restore your health, and we take this responsibility very, very seriously. We invite you to explore our website, visit our testimonial page, book in for a free review, and learn about the first complete system designed to reverse endometriosis symptoms. Remember, we're here to help, so feel free to contact us at any time to have your questions answered. We are committed to being your partner in restoring your health.